Hey guys, welcome to the CrewSense app. I'm going to be showing you how to set availability for the following month. Note that as discussed, availability will be due the 15th of every month. So I will try to send a reminder out best I can. Once you have that reminder or once you log in, it should bring you to this home screen. You're going to see today's roster. I can move jumping to a particular date here if I need to look ahead to see any dates that I'm working. But the main thing here, if you look in the top left hand corner where your name is located, you're going to click on the drop down menu and go to set availability. This is where you're going to set your availability for the following month. It will bring up a calendar again to the current date. I want to jump ahead to the next month. So we've already set the schedule for May, looking forward to June. So by May 15th, would like to have these dates put in here. Once you get this calendar open, it's going to show any days that you're already working highlighted in gray, as mine are here, Monday through Friday. If you don't have any days working, it's going to come up blank on that day. In order to set availability for that day, move your cursor over the block for the day, click on it, and it brings up this add entry. You want to simply click on the target here at the top, availability period. That'll bring up a day and a time. So I'm available Saturday, let's say 7 p.m. at night till Sunday 7 a.m. in the morning. That's my availability for that night. If I want to add any notes to it, such as need to leave early a.m. by 5:30, as some of you have requested before, put that little note in there, hit save changes, and it should add a block here to Saturday showing that you're available for that period, and it gives me the little note here, I need to leave by early a.m. 5:30. Do that for all the days you're available in June, only the days you're available. If you're not available a day, just leave it blank and it should just appear as white. Once you have all your days set in there, you're pretty much done. Just log out. After the 15th, I will go through and make the schedule based on these days you have entered. I will have the ability to see everybody's days. The schedule should be set within a couple days after the 15th, and I will notify everybody that the schedule is ready and available. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to give me a call. I will try to walk you through this best I can. Thanks again.